This is a little Tangia.
Tanjia.
That's a meat pot I told you about.
Okay.
Marrakesh is very known for its deep-rooted cuisine. On the top of it, it's the Tangia that Marrakesh people serve to their guests in every special occasion.
Oh, wow, look at that. That just looks so fatty and juicy.
Tangia should not be confused with tagine, which is a different dish, but the name sounds the same. The Tangia is a practical daily recipe for the craftsmen in the Medina Market. Let me go back a little bit in time to figure out the origins of this popular recipe. Well, the history of the Moroccan cuisine can be divided into two periods. The period before 1912, the French Protectorate, which was called the period of the traditional kitchen by nutrition researchers. And in that time, the Tangia was only a pottery jar that used to preserve butter, olives, oil, or spices. The second period is during the Protectorate and after the independence in 1956, when the succession of drought years led to rural migration and many European manufactured ingredients appeared in the markets. There were many Berber craftsmen moving from Atlas Mountains and Sahara Desert to the big cities in Morocco. Marrakesh in that time started having less camel caravans coming over, but more trucks instead. This was an advantage for Marrakesh newcomers, who picked the caravan motels, the funduks, and turned in their rooms as a little workshops. They were staying in their workshops day and night, start producing right after the sunrise prayer, then after that they marketed their product. Lunch is needed. Tangia was an urgent food which only Medina craftsmen were known for. They were attending the Tangia with their financial contributions, so it was a craftsman-made meal with distinction. Currently, the Tangia is often made with lamb or beef, and it's called al-mkoumna, decuminized. It has a lot of cumin, preservative lemon, garlic, saffron, preservative butter, and olive oil. But in the past, craftsmen would cook really anything available in this dish. They used to cook different recipes as chicken and vegetables, lentils, beans, and even wheat, and it's called herbal. The first thing we need to cook the Tangia is the pottery pot. And the ingredients will be the lamb, then cumin, saffron, preservative lemon, and preservative butter. We will need olive oil and especially garlic, a lot of garlic. So we'll put the lamb first into the jar pot, and we add the preservative butter, then saffron and preservative lemon, which is salty, so don't add salt. Then we pour the oil, that coffee glass of olive oil, and finally the garlic. Then we shake the pot to mix everything in. With a piece of paper, we can easily cover the pot, and we may use a little rope tie it up. Now our Tangia is ready to go to the fire furnaces, where it's gonna get cooked. Hold this section, as you see, it will be burned into the ash, and it will take from 2 to 4 hours to get cooked properly. Serving Tangia is a ceremony, and it's always compulsory that who made it has to serve it. Here is our Tangia ready, and keep in mind that always the meat cooked in a Tangia will be so tender, even the meat easily fell off the bone.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, you can smell the lemon in there. This is it right here. The famous mint tea. Oh, so here we go. This is ours.
Thanks for watching, guys, and please give this video a big thumbs up, and see you soon for another recipe.